Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. Simply guys, if you want to show your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, go in the right button corner here, right click in the icon of internet and click open network and internet settings, as you can see here. Okay, here guys, scroll down to network and sharing center, click here, then go to your connections here and click in your connection Wi-Fi. For me, Wi-Fi 4 Tiger. Okay, some window appear here guys. Go and click wireless properties, as you can see. Okay, in the security tab, go down and check show characters. As you can see, my password is here. Security type, encryption type, network security key. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.